Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I am doing a shoe review. I got a pair of gorgeous heels from a brand called Ally Shoes. This is my first experience with them, so I will be sharing my honest thoughts on the footwear and the experience as a whole. And yeah, I'm really excited to share with you. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Firstly, let's talk about Ally Shoes. So this is a luxury footwear brand that specializes in inclusive sizing and a unique and comfortable fit. Their sizes range from a US 4 to 12, which honestly is unheard of, and they have 4 different width sizes. They also have a patent pending design that was engineered with a podiatric surgeon. So what you have is a beautiful handcrafted luxury heel, and they also have flats as well. But these are very classic shoes that come in a lot of different colors and a lot of different sizes. When it comes to luxury footwear or handbags or anything with a higher price tag, I tend to stick with neutrals or colors that I know will get a lot of wear and that will go with a lot of things in my wardrobe. Typically, I would go for like black or white or even a blush pink, but for this one, I saw something that I had to have. It's a little over the top, but it definitely 100% goes with my wardrobe. So I think that this is the perfect luxury heel for me. So let me go ahead and show you. They come in this really beautiful box, and each heel, or shoe actually, because they do have more than heels, is wrapped in a bag, and they each come in their own little baggie. And the heel that I chose, dun dun dun, oh my gosh, I love it so much. So I feel like I am the personification of sparkle. And I absolutely had to have this sparkle pump because it literally goes with everything. It looks like a gold color, but it's actually a really beautiful rose gold blush pink color. And it is just stunning. And a lot of people would wear these for the holidays or a special occasion or a wedding or something like that. Honestly, I feel like this would be great for every day. Whenever I used to work for a doctor, I would get ready in my office wear and I would wear sparkly shoes and things like that. So it's not out of the ordinary for me. And this is definitely my kind of pump. So here's a closer look at the sparkle. I'm not really sure if you can see it on camera, but it's actually a mix of pink, kind of like a really pretty rosy pink with gold, and they are just completely drenched with these beautiful sparkles. It has some fine glitter, but also some larger pieces as well. And this is what the bottom looks like. Although I love the glitter and the whole look of this heel overall, what I found the most interesting and unique is the insole. So it is very, very padded. So it has this beautiful blush pink color, but oh my goodness, look at this padding. I don't even know if you can see it, but this is super, super padded right here. And then also at the end where your heel is, you have some padding. And then you have, actually there's just padding throughout the whole thing. I put these on and I kid you not, they are the most comfortable heels I have ever worn in my life. It feels like you are walking on a cloud. Everything is just perfect, and I feel like the padding is in all the right places. They're so comfortable. At first, I wasn't sure about the heel height, and actually these are very, they're not that high. But I feel like the older I've gotten, the shorter my heel height has gotten. But these are, I would say they're about like 2.5–3 inches. They are very comfortable. I could walk around in these all day. And in fact, before I got these were made to order, so they did take a few weeks to make them and then ship them to me, and let me tell you, it was worth it. It was totally worth the wait. But before I even did that, they have a fit finder quiz on their website. So I took the quiz and it gave me a size, and when you have a made to order shoe, they actually send a shoe to your home so that you can have a complimentary fitting, and you can try on the shoe, make sure the sizing is right before they even make your shoe. So they sent a pair of white heels, which were so beautiful, and I wanted to keep them. Oh my gosh. I wore them all day long just to make sure that this heel would be great for walking and for daily wear, and just kind of getting like a look at how comfortable they would really be, because you know, sometimes you try on shoes and you wear them for a split second and you're like, oh, these are really comfortable, but then after wearing them all day you're like, okay, I changed my mind. So no, these were comfortable, and they actually got more comfortable as the day went on, and I was just wearing them around my house and you know, doing my work and doing little photo shoots and computer work and things like that. So I did wear them in a variety of situations. So they do also have fittings available for shoes that are not made to order, where they will actually send you 2 different sizes so you can see which one fits best. So I think that that is a really unique and helpful thing that they add in. So on their website, they have a lot of options, not only for the sizing, but for the colors. They have pretty much any color that you can think of, and there's a lot of different leathers and suede and of course the glitter. But this one, aside from the glitter, it does have a suede lining, so it's super soft, and then a lambskin leather upper. Overall, I think these shoes are absolutely beautiful. This is my first experience with the brand, first time trying any of their footwear. I would really love to try a pair of their flats too, just to kind of see like how the padding and you know, everything works for that. But I would say their heels are definitely a yes from me. They are Lizzie approved. You heard it here. But these are probably one of my favorite heels that I own. I love them so much, and I'm going to wear them for the holidays and for New Year's and for pretty much any day. Like I said, this is my first ever experience. This is my honest review and my honest thoughts. This is a really gorgeous heel. You can just tell that they are high quality. I would say that the price point is right on, and in fact I would probably pay more for these. They are really beautiful quality and a gorgeous luxury heel. I love that they have so many different color options, and I really love that they have so many different sizes and widths, because there are so many people with really tiny feet and then larger feet that don't have a lot of shoe options, and there are also a lot of different widths when it comes to feet. So I love that they have you covered with that, and the comfort level is honestly out of this world. Like I said, most comfortable heel I have ever worn in my life, and they are just beautiful. I think this is probably my favorite pair of heels that I own, and I have a lot of shoes. You can check out my collection right here. But yeah, I would say that these are a really good buy, and if you are interested in looking into them further, I will leave a link for you down below, along with a discount code for both the heels and the flats. And yeah, if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave a comment below, and I would love to know your thoughts. Have you tried Ally shoes before? Have you heard of this brand? What do you think of my sparkly shoes? Are you a glittery heel type of person, or would you choose something a bit more classic? I would love to know your thoughts. If you liked this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for even more feminine content. Make sure to check out my blog, Lizzie LizzieInLace.com. I post on there 3 times a week. Also, make sure to follow along on my pretty pink Instagram. I share a lot of feminine outfits, beauty, lifestyle, and travel posts on there. So if that sounds like your sort of thing, I think you will really enjoy it. And in the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!